A waffle slab is a type of building slab used in concrete structures. Due to the presence of vertical and horizontal beams, this slab will have much greater strength, allowing the structure to have larger spans and fewer columns. As you can see, in a waffle slab, square-shaped plastic molds are placed in parts of the slab. These molds are placed upside down, and after the concrete is poured, vertical and horizontal beams are formed between them in a grid. After removing the molds, a hollow grid-like appearance will form underneath. To construct this waffle slab, we need to create a very good and perfectly level substructure and then place the waffle molds on top of it. After placing the waffle molds, tying the upper and lower reinforcements and beams must be completed. Once they are finished, spacers are placed underneath the reinforcements, and then the concreting process is carried out.